Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Schwab to reconcile dividends and capital gains step by step clearly. To set up Schwab for reconciling dividends and capital gains, begin by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to your portfolio overview to access your investment details. Locate the Reports section from the main menu. In the Reports section, select Tax Overview to find relevant tax-related documents. Once in the tax overview, click on Dividend Summary to review your dividend income. Make a note of the dividends received for each investment. Next, return to the tax overview and select Capital Gains to see your realized gains. Review the list of transactions to identify any capital gains from your trades. Now, gather your brokerage statements for the reconciliation process. Open the statement that includes the transactions for the relevant tax year. Match the dividends recorded in Schwab with the dividend amounts on your brokerage statement. Ensure that all received dividends are accurately captured for each investment. Next, compare the capital gains shown in Schwab with the transactions listed on your brokerage statement. Check that all buy and sell transactions are accounted for. Record any discrepancies between Schwab and your brokerage statements. If there are differences, investigate the cause and contact Schwab support if needed. Once you have confirmed all data matches, document the reconciled amounts. Prepare a summary report showing total dividends and capital gains for your records. This will help ensure accurate reporting during tax season. Finally, save your reconciliation documentation in a secure location for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.